Alright, unboxing the new Rand McNally 5-inch truck GPS / ELD, which I won't be using. I'll just be using it for a truck GPS. I had great luck with my last one. Put 1.7 million miles on the GPS. I was very satisfied with it. The voice stopped working after 2 years. I got the 2-year warranty with this, which means it's going to work perfectly. If I hadn't got the warranty, it would have broke down the next day. Got a little instruction manual here. A little bit more compact than my last one. It really looks like the screen is a little bit smaller than my last one, even though this one does say 5-inch. But it is a lot smaller. We'll see if it holds up better. So that's the unit. Regular charge cable. Oh man, we got the old school original micro USB or mini USB instead of a micro. Old school. Hard to find that plug. I was really hoping they'd update it to a USB-C or a mini USB. Okay, we got a fuse. I guess the fuse goes into the plug. And what we have here? Yep, another a USB to mini USB plug there, and the mount, and that's it. I was really expecting a little bit more than that. A couple more accessories or something. My last one had a stylus, and I do not see one on this one. But it's still $300 like it used to be. Hopefully this one, yeah, this one does have a reset button. My last one had a reset button, and started having problems with it pretty early on, but I was able to nurse it for a while. And one of my gripes about using the same mount here is this thing's so huge, it's just very hard to like tuck underneath your dash or whatever. I'm sure the size really helps, you know, get a good suction or whatever. But yeah, it seems a little bit lighter, smaller, and hopefully it works a lot better than the last one, because I had some issues, even though, like I said, it lasted 12 years, 1.7 million miles. Definitely was not without issues. But I'm going to hook it up and give you guys periodic updates about it. See if you should buy it.